have this PDF and I want to add all of these contacts in my Google Contacts so that I can have the contact details on my phone. So what I'm just going to do is I am just going to simply copy paste the details and create new contacts. Let's say I'm just going to copy the phone number, go on this Google Contacts, click on this create contact, add the name and the company name and the rest of the details and create the contact. But this is going to be such a time consuming, tedious and an error prone task. I have to upload multiple contacts, right? So what I can do is I can simply create an amazing automation for free. Okay, so in this video, I'll show you how you can also create this automation for free. What you have to do, first of all, you have to convert this PDF into a Google Sheets. Okay, for that, just open a new tab and search for PDF-to-Sheets and then open the first link which you're going to see. Once you open this link, you have to go on this select PDF file and you simply have to upload your PDF file. So I have successfully uploaded my PDF file and let's click on this convert to Excel. And now let's just download this Excel file. This is free, you can convert it for free and you're going to see yes, this Excel file is downloaded. Now what you have to do, go on your Google Sheets, click on this blank spreadsheet button. Now go on this files, you have to go on this import and you're going to see you are going to get these options. So from here you have to go on upload and go on this browse button. Now you have recently downloaded this sheet, so simply upload it over here. And once you do this, it is going to say import file. This is the file name and the import location is replace sheets. And now click on this import data. And once you click on import data like this, the data will be imported in your spreadsheet. Once your data is imported, now what you have to do, you have to create Google Contacts for the same. And to do this, we're going to use Pabbly. What we have to do, we have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in a browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. What do I mean by 100 of tasks for free? That you can upload up to 100 of contacts for free in Google Contacts using this amazing automation, and you can do this for free if you click on this sign up for free. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now this discount coupon code is also attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Let's move on further and see how this automation can be created. So for that, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect, go on the dashboard, click on create workflow and open your workflow builder. Once this is opened, I'll just let you know that this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select it as Google Sheets. For the event, select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. We have received this webhook URL, so just copy this webhook URL and open your spreadsheet. Now you have to go on this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. You have to add an extension in the spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on the search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and make sure to install this extension right over here. I have already installed this extension. You can install it directly from here. After you install this extension, you just have to refresh your spreadsheet. It is very important that you refresh your spreadsheet, otherwise you'll not be able to view the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks in your extensions tab. Once you view this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option, go on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then towards this initial setup. After you come on this initial setup, it is going to ask you for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So for the webhook URL, you just have to paste the URL which you copied from the workflow and enter the trigger column. So as you can see, I've successfully pasted my webhook URL and entered the trigger column. So the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So I've selected my trigger column as C because I want to send these 3 details towards Google Contacts. Okay, if you want to send 2 details or one detail, you can enter the trigger column accordingly. Okay, now after entering these details, just click on this submit and you're going to see that Pabbly is going to say setup configured successfully. This means that we've created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, click on this send test. Once we're going to click on this send test, it is saying test data sent successfully, the name, the number and the email address. Okay, this means that we have successfully sent this first row towards our workflow. Okay, so let's just open our workflow and Pabbly has captured the response for the same right over here. Okay, so now first we're going to create the contact using these details and then we're going to move on further. Okay, so let's just close this, and what we have to do, click on this add new action step. For the action application, select it as Google Contacts over here. So let's just search for Google Contacts and select it right over here. For the event, select it as create contact and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Contacts and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us, and create the connection between Google Contacts and Pabbly Connect. After this connection is created, you just have to enter some details over here, but always a hack that you don't have to enter first of all the details, only the details which you wish to fill in. And the second thing is that you don't have to enter the details manually, you have to map it. You must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map these details, what we have to do, we have to go on the field, put a slash, search for the details and map it like this. One by one you have to map all the details which you want to map, and the details which you don't want to enter, you simply have to switch on the mapping button and delete whatever is written right over here to keep that field as blank. I am just going to map this phone number, so let's just put a slash, search for the phone number, map it, and now let's just also map the email address. So I'm just going to look for the email address field. Till then I'm just going to switch on this mapping button and delete whatever is not required right over here. Now I'm just going to also map the email address, so let's just put a slash, map the email address, move on further. After mapping the details which you wish to fill in, click on the save and send test request, and you're going to see that we have successfully received the positive response that we have created the contact for the same. So let's just open our Google Contacts and refresh this contact list, and you're going to see the new contact is added right over here. But I don't only want to add a single contact but upload all these contacts in Google Contacts. For that, go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on this send all data. Now it is saying working, so let's just wait for a few seconds, and after waiting for a few seconds, you just have to open your Google Contacts and you're going to see the working is completed. So let's just open our Google Contacts and refresh it right over here, and you're going to see multiple contacts are created. We have a total of 28 contacts where one is duplicate, and you're going to see over here in the spreadsheet I had the details of over 27 people, and the contacts for the same is created right over here. So from PDF we have uploaded this to Google Contacts. We first converted PDF into a spreadsheet, then from the spreadsheet we uploaded the contacts, and now the main thing is not only this much contacts, but let's say you want to add a new contact, then you can simply enter the details right over here and the contact for the same will also be created in your Google Contacts. For that you have to make sure that this button is switched on, which is sent on event. So go and try this amazing automation yourself because this is very helpful for you. You don't have to create the contacts manually. Now you can simply automate this process and try this for free today. For more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget that the discount coupon code and the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.